I just sewed another amazing vintage 50 dress. Hi friends, here is the Simplicity Vintage 1950 and it is the Simplicity 9882 and it's a blouse and a skirt with a loop right here so that I could add a bow to it, and so I just wanted to show you that part. Now also it comes with this elbow sleeve with this button right here, and button down right here. And as you can see, I am wearing a petticoat under it. So let's go into the sewing room so I can tell you a little bit more about this dress. Hi friends, welcome to the channel Sophia Sew and Pray. I'm Sophia. If you've been here before, welcome, and if it's your first time, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in. In this video, I will be showing you and talking a little bit about this dress I have, which is a Simplicity Vintage 1950. It's a two-piece. It's a skirt, a blouse and a skirt. And if you see it a little big on me, yes, because I made it size 16. That's not my size. I tried to sew it less, but I had to go ahead and do other adjustments, which that's what I'm going to talk about. And maybe you already know this, but hey, I'm learning this. So this is the pattern right here that I made. This is the one I have on. And this was the model that I used with this. I love this right here. And I do have that. But I did not model the bow for you because I haven't made it yet. I want to make a special one with the fabric that I have. And I tried it with a regular hanky and it just didn't work. With the thicker ones, it didn't work. It was too thick. So I have the right fabric to get it like a silky, really, I forgot the name. I forgot the name. Chiffon, something like that. So that's it about this dress. It is a size 16, as you can see this right here, the pattern. And I don't have the other sizes, like 14, like 6 to 14. I didn't get that one. But I liked it so much, and so I made it thinking that I was going to sew it like an inch more. Well, that did not work because I had to consider the bust area and the back, and I didn't. So what I'm going to do is just either loose it and do it again, but I don't really want to do that. So I will be giving it away, and then also another one, but I will wait to see if I can get the size 14 because it's simple, or let me say it's easy, but it's complicated if you don't have the right size, because when I see it here, it's supposed to be opened, and maybe that's what I would try doing it. But I did not open it because when I put it on to model it, I did not consider, and I really forgot that it was you could use it open because it's kind of like a pullover, a coat, whatever. And I could have worn something in the inside, which I did not. Who knows? Maybe after this video, I'll just go ahead and do that to see if I can keep it, because the skirt is okay. So my plans is to make, for the next video, hopefully, will be to make this pattern right here. I'm so late on this right here, so this might be my next make. And then I was also working on my book pillows, and so I made some this week, and these are, I did show a little bit of how I was taught to make it, and I don't know if it came out right, but I'll share a little bit with you after this. But this is one of them. This right here is the back where you put the pillow in. Put it in here, and then you could put your pillow, and this would be where you could put your book or whatever. I'm supposed to be putting some embellishment on it, so I'll probably show you again when I do add the embellishment to show you how pretty they do look. This is another one that I made. This one has double pockets, and it's the same, and this I made the back this way. So I want to make it where I can also add the back. So the embellishment that I'm going to be adding will be probably some buttons also, so that I can use it both ways instead of just the side where the pockets are. Here's another one. I was trying to make this one with leftover fabrics that I had. And then these are the ones that I will be mostly using. These were just my practice ones. And so this right here is the set that I will be using for the project that I have. So you put it the pillow in back here, and then right here's the pocket for this one. This one I have kind of like a slip in right here, probably, I don't know, probably for pen, because it's not big enough for something else. This one right here, I like this one because this has a little green strip right here, which was a backing that I did. And like I did explain in one of the videos while I was trying to show you how I sewed it, I did say that this is a fabric that is already quilted with 2 different fabrics. So the back of this fabric, this is the way, all right, this is this right here. Let me show you with this one. This is the back or the front of the fabric, okay? And then the inside, then the next side of the fabric is this, which I used, I don't know if I'm explaining myself right. I used this part right, not this yellow, but this part right here. So the fabric is 2 fabrics quilted, back and front. And so you could buy these already quilted at Joann's, and that's what I got. That's how I got the quilt. So I thought, let me just make it like this, because you have to make backings to make these pillowcases. But because I already had the backings because of it being quilted fabric, then all I did was just make it easy for me instead of putting all this together. So that's the good thing about buying the quilted fabric to make these pillows. And so this is how they look now that I sewed them. Simple until I put the embellishment. You know what? I did make one that I had embellishment, and I want to show you exactly more or less. So this is how this is how the embellishment is. This is how I put the book in here in the pocket. And down here I'll add like a pen or little notes that I want to save when I do my book. But the embellishment is like, you can add anything you want to. You can add, I added these little buttons here. Then in the back, I added these buttons like right here, like this, you know, decorative buttons. So in the back, you can't put any book in here. I mean, if you want to, but I don't. This is just where the entrance for the pillow. But because I wanted to use both sides either way, then that's why I embellished both sides. So this is pretty much how it's supposed to be, and that's how I made mine. And then last but not least, I did receive my last copy of my Vogue swatch magazine. So I will be busy this weekend adding my swatches to my magazine, and then I have to go and redo my subscriptions because they reminded me, and which I am, because I do want to keep my swatches. So these are beautiful colors that they will have. I like them. I haven't opened it yet, but I know that they're nice colors because they're summer. This is the summer. Look at how fantastic this is. Like, let me see if I can find a way to show you. Look at these colors. Nice colors. I'm skipping pages, but look at this. So I already have a few that I will be purchasing from it. So that is it from now. I am so busy still, but I am working on making more and using my sewing machines. I do have to do a project. I'm still working on a project on my sewing machine, my Singer sewing machine for my with my oh my goodness, what's the name of the thing? The pleated, that's the pleat maker. It's not the pleat maker, but that's the word that's coming right now. So that's what I'm making. I'm still working on those, and so that's my busy schedule. So thank you so much for watching my videos. And what do you think about this dress? Tell me, what do you think about this dress? I mean, I like the dress, but wow, if only I had the size 14, because 14 is the biggest that I go. I usually wear 12. I can get away with a size 10, but because I don't want it to be tight on me while I show it, I just rather go and stick with 14. And then if I have to fix anything the day that I'm going somewhere, then that's what I do. But with the 16, I cannot get away with the 16. I will not. So much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for all of you, my subscribers. Thank you for viewing. And don't forget that Jesus loves you, and so do I. And also, I wanted to say my scripture that is for today. It is, for God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten son, that whosoever believe in Jesus Christ will not perish, but they will have everlasting life. God bless you. See you on my next video. Not my next video. I'll see you in my next video. Friends, so this is the Simplicity Vintage 1950, and the pattern is 9882, and it is a two-piece, a blouse with the sleeves, decorated buttons right here to the elbow, with two loops so that you can add a hanky through it, like so, and then like so, right? And then you can make a bow. I did not make the bow yet, and so that's why I'm showing you like this. So that's what this loop is here for. I did add my petticoat under it because I wanted it to flow like it shows right here, due to the fact that I sewed it with a cotton for testing. And I like it. I just made it a size larger than I wanted to. And I didn't notice that the largest size is 16. So this dress will be given to someone. I'm just modeling it for you. As you can see, it is large on me, but overall it's nice. Unless I can bring it down to a size 14, I'll keep it, but I don't know, because I will have to do a lot of adjustment right here and in the back. But this is my vintage. I like this pattern, so I may do it again because it's very beautiful. Look, that's it right here. So what do you think about this pattern? Simplicity Vintage 1950. Another vintage. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.